Hey, how you doing? Doing all right?
You're live.
I can. Yeah, I feel that.
This guy right here is on TV. He buys stuff and sells resales. I said,
What you say, man? Why you just gonna put me? You just gonna put me out there like that?
yeah.
Oh yeah, well I'm a reseller.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna move in like 4 months.
You're moving what, out of town or y'all staying? Oh, really? Where you going?
We're going back to Tennessee.
Oh, wow.
So this is like a little bit of everything.
Ah,
This is
okay.
like our house and then our, things that I just couldn't sell.
Gotcha. Well, let me get these 3 from you.
Okay.
So I got 2, I got 4, and I got 1. I mean, I got 2, 2, and 4. And what was your name again?
I'm Courtney.
Courtney. Okay, Courtney. Yeah, I
Are you
hope
recording?
I am. Do you want to say something? Maybe next week or so you'll probably see this if you watch the video.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can see you in this dark, ain't it?
See, I'm gonna be on the thumbnail. She recognized me.
There you go. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Maybe somebody will watch my video, you know? That first sale, shout out to her. And I said her name in the beginning of the video, or she did, and I can't think of it right now because this is actually a couple of days later. But she's actually a reseller, and she was moving and she was selling some of the stuff because she's about to move, of course. So yeah, usually when I go to your sales and I know somebody's a reseller, I know the stuff that they can't sell or just don't want to sell, they have out. So I'm kind of like, ah. But she has some good prices on her stuff. She was just trying to move it, it seemed like. And let's just get into it. This first vest I got, it's an LL Beam vest. It's actually pretty good, pretty nice. I got this for $4, and I think I seen a comp for about $25, $30. The comp I seen was a small. This is a XX, so I probably can sell it for a little bit more. So I might be able to get about $35 out of this. We'll see. The second shirt I found from her is also a vintage shirt. As you can see right here, I paid $2 for it. And if I find a comp, I'll put it on the screen. I haven't looked up comps really on this yet. So yeah, it's old vintage Pickering polo. Okay. Bye.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Doing good, thank you.
Oh, that's great.
Oh yeah, those are $5 a piece. I haven't
$5?
gotten.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I looked online. Well, I looked online,
Yeah.
and this one was cheaper, but these wanted like $29.99. You can look
okay.
online, but that's why I was just going to do $5 each. We're still pricing.
Oh, okay. Still trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. How much for your tapes?
Probably like a quarter for all of them.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. That was these tapes right here. She actually gave me all of them for 25 cents. Now, in that case, I usually give people $1, and I didn't have $1, but I did have 25 cents. I had a 20. I didn't want her to break that, so that's the first time I ever gave somebody 25 cents for something. I always give them $1 if they ask for 20. Anything cents, I always end up giving them $1, depending on what it is, but usually I give them $1. And I had a quarter, I had a 20, so I gave it a quarter. And it's crazy. I felt kind of bad for giving somebody what they actually asked for, but you know how it goes with these yard sales. But anyway, I got that. I should get about $25 for these actually. These actually, a set of 5, you can get about 25 plus. How's it going? Ah, man, living a dream. Living a dream. Living a dream. How much is your jackets and shirts and things?
$2.
About the jackets and shirts and stuff? You said $2? Okay.
$2,
Thank you. Oh. Oh, that's on my fault.
No.
Oh, it's on this weight. Okay, I got you.
Another weight. Brian, you want to grab another one?
Your driveway just like mine's.
Tilted.
Yeah, my kids are mad because I want to put a basketball rim because it's so tilted.
Yeah, they just be facing the ball.
Yeah, the whole time. Yeah.
Another weight for the thing. Put it under this side.
Set it on it.
I'm sorry about that.
No, you're fine. Is that gonna work?
Yeah. Well, what I want to do is the weight wants to flip it.
Randall.
I think I'm gonna get these from you.
Okay.
These are right on time. I believe. I don't know. Let me count again.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So
7.
14 bucks.
All right. I got it. How much one for this?
$10 bucks. Huh?
I'm gonna get that for you.
Monitors?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, I didn't even look in the bag when I bought the stuff, but it ended up being 2 different things. I had this Graco, is that how you say it? Monitoring system, which is about $30 or $35 used. I was surprised at how much this actually went for. So that was by itself. And then it was this low rack system, which is this a low rack? This ain't even a low rack. This is something different. Take that back. There was this low rack system right here, which is over here. And that's about a $50 piece. The monitor and a camera is about $50, which is right here. Then there was this system, which I need to look up now to see exactly what this goes for. This looks like it's the El Chico. At that sale, I also got these clothes. And a lot of these I'm keeping. That's why I got them sitting over here. This nice jacket. It's an ACG jacket. I need to look that up. I'm sure that's a nice jacket. It's a Nike jacket, and it's an XL, but it fits me nice. Got that ACG with that Nike hit right there. That's a nice jacket. This North Face. I'm probably gonna sell this. This is not my style, so I'll probably go ahead and hang that up and sell that. See if I can find that. This right here, it's a polo. Nice. Still got tags on it. Look at that. Ralph Lauren. It looked like you got it from TJ Maxx for $40. This right here has a $90 MSRP. Is that how you say it? MSRP. Yes, I'm right. And I'll probably keep this too. It's my size, large. And winter's coming, and I'm gonna have to get snazzy for my wife when we go out every now and then. Let's see what we got going on here. This is another polo that I think I'm gonna keep. Size large, which is my size. All white. Throwing some nice kicks, some nice slacks with some, I can give y'all dressing lessons, you know. I'm teaching y'all eBay a little bit, ain't I? I think I'm teaching. I'm not really teaching. I'm just showing y'all what I do. I can't show y'all how to dress too, right? This is a low Al. I am gonna look this up. Low Alpine, triple point, nice jacket, and these other 2 shirts are personals as well. That's a nice one. Look at that. With that white stitching. Cremux. And this is another one that I probably keep. So yeah, that's man. Your boy ain't making no money. Really, all that camera system is the only thing I'm gonna make money off of, because I'm pretty much keeping all that but that North Face and that Alpine jacket. Everything else is going to the house.
Yes, I got one out.
Hey, how you doing? Doing all right?
You're live.
I can't. Yeah, I feel
This
that.
guy right here is on TV. He buys stuff and sells resales.
Bruh.
I said,
What you say, man? Why you just gonna put me out there like that?
Tripping. Receiving team number 5. 10-yard penalty. First down.
Yeah, I see. I want to watch your thing every once in a while.
You put me out there, didn't you, man? How you doing, man? What's your name?
All right, Donnie.
Donnie Dave, man.
Yeah,
Dave.
I've seen you on TV.
I'm on YouTube.
Yeah, on your YouTube.
I appreciate you watching, man.
Yeah, I watch them all. That's basically what I watch.
Yeah, me too, man. I don't watch regular TV no more. It's like, ain't nothing, you know, it's all depressing, ain't it?
Regular TV is just depressing. Really.
It is, man. It's very depressing. No, I definitely appreciate you watching, man. That's my little hobby now, you know?
Yeah.
A lot of people's on there.
There's one down there in Valley.
Come on.
Oh, really? Down there in Valley Station?
Come on.
You been down there?
Not yet. We just came this way first.
Oh, okay. Okay.
He's got it on his GPS.
Oh, okay. Place to go.
So what are we looking for?
I look for a little bit of everything.
Whatever catches your eye.
I'm electronics, video games usually, but then everything else gets whatever catches my eye.
Okay.
So, but I try to get out when I can when I'm not working anyway. Today I just happen to be off. Tomorrow I got to work Monday in the morning, so I don't get out on Saturday. So,
Yeah.
and that's the day usually to get out, you know.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, I can get it from you.
Lockers in Texas.
Yeah.
And I had my garage set up like a storefront, and then I rented my neighbor's garage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And
was able to generate enough just from that, and then obviously big stuff out of storage.
yeah, that's the way to do it, man. If you can, I mean.
Here started doing trucks now.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
You just buying up trucks and.
Yeah, I've been this summer primarily doing Lowe's and Home Depot.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, man. If you can get those, get a connect on that, man. That's
They've been okay, not quite what I was expecting, but not as bad as it could have been either.
Okay. You're not losing, at least, right?
Not even remotely close. I've only had 3 losers.
Really? Ever? Oh, well, that's good then, man.
Now, one of them was 25 gumball machines that was stolen.
Ah, okay.
Didn't find it out though until the money was in my pocket and I was on the way to the bank with it when Arlington PD called.
Ah, that's
I think it was BS, but
yeah.
It is what it is.
You already sold them and everything, and they hit you with that.
That's what I get for selling them back to the manufacturer.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
They looked up the serial numbers on it.
Yeah, I didn't know the gotcha machines were serial. Didn't pay any attention. But we didn't have any keys for any of them, so didn't have a choice.
Yeah, I mean that's how you own a lot of this stuff, man. You just never know where it comes from. But I ask no questions, unless something like that happens. Like, well, hey, I didn't know. Shout out to Donnie for calling me out. No, I'm just playing, Donnie. I appreciate you, man. Thank you for watching. I was just joking with you. Actually, by Donnie calling me out, I actually sat there and talked to the guy that was having the yard sale. He ended up being somebody who buys stuff in bulk. So, yeah, man, it just opened up another opportunity. I remember in the beginning, used to feel kind of funny letting people know what I did, reselling for some reason. I don't know. It's just that thing like, even though I'm buying it and I'm giving them what they want for it, me reselling it seemed bad, even though they resell it. It's crazy, ain't it? I don't know. That's just how I used to feel. Me now, I don't care. I tell people what I do all the time, and it's opened up all kind of doors. And probably 75% of the stuff that I have is because somebody knew that I resell. So anyway, while I'm here, I want to shout out some people who bought me some coffee. Kathy Lombard bought me 3 coffees. I appreciate you. Mark bought me a coffee. eBay store Business Major. He spells it B-I-D. Nis Major. That's nice. I like that. And Jamie V bought me 5 coffees. Hey, I really appreciate that. It helps out the channel. I just bought another camera. And I bought myself some coffee, all right? So if you want to buy me a coffee, link in the description. I really appreciate everybody who shows love to the channel, all right? So let's get back into it.
That was right? The Halloween plates before?
Yes.
Did I do that wrong?
No, it's good. I thought that's what you told me.
If not, just take some money. I don't care.
Are you just giving the money away? Let me go.
Yeah, sure. But wait. That one toy thing, did you take $1 or $2? What do you have those ducks money?
$1 and I took it.
Okay. All right. I want to make sure you took
I took that
your
dollar
dollars.
back. Yeah.
I don't care.
I know that. I took those.
I just
The
want
only reason I
to-
care about it is I'm trying to make
I
sure
know.
I get even on that
You
stuff.
gotta be getting close on household now.
at the household either, so it means I have some things to
Now maybe you can make
on the household side.
and if so, if you don't make something on something else, then
And I'm closer on the toys and stuff. So, and then I've got
$1
and I've
that
got
is here, right?
right, and I've got games that haven't had not worried.
I'm not sure that one of
Those glittery things don't come.
no, those are all mine. And, oh, that whale.
Lucky bum. Ugly stick.
They all work.
It don't matter if you take that much, I have another one.
This is the other restructure.
This is you. No, this is you.
My naked lady glasses. My one risque thing. Hey, I was working at it.
She said, I got them, but I ain't selling them.
Right.
Yeah.
None to
'cause
part
those-
with.
those are her-
I've collected them for years.
I got 5
Okay, yeah.
hats.
What?
Okay.
All kinds of different ones.
2, 4, 5,
Mm-hmm.
6, 7,
7,
8.
8.
Alright. Got $2.
I believe those are all yours.
So real quick, I want to go over these hats that I got. Just a couple of them. I got this White Sox hat. It's an Anco. Couldn't find any comps on there, but it got the White Sox logo on the back right there. Boom. Look like it might be a pretty good hat. Got that one right there. It's call out here. It's Lucky Bum's camo hat. I do pretty good with camo hats. Ugly Stick camo hat. That's about a $10 hat. And this Wolverine Boots camo hat. Camo hats I usually do pretty good. They move pretty quick. So yeah, I got those. And when I went back, y'all didn't see me this, but I kind of seen some tapes on the way out. I grabbed these up. These were $1. So yeah, y'all know what I do with these tapes. I got a bunch of them. I throw them all together, and when I get a lot of them all together, and I usually do pretty good on that. And I got this 2009 Kentucky Derby shirt, which I probably keep. I found myself collecting these Kentucky Derby shirts. These are pretty nice shirts. I think the oldest one that I have is 95. So yeah, that's a nice one. Yard sale season is dwindling down. It's getting cold here in Kentucky, so I got a lot. I got a lot that I've gotten. I've listed most of it, but I do have some stuff that I didn't need to do more research on. So I need to come over here and spend more time in the office and actually list a lot of this stuff for fourth quarter. That's the best quarter, right?
Yes, sir.
That's when you sell everything. Get all your money for Christmas. You understand? So with all that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.